Guess who has a camera? Hey guys, and welcome to my Sony ZV-1 unboxing video. I'm proud and happy to announce that your girl now has a digital camera for content creation. Now, if you've been following me, or if you've been watching my videos, or at least if you've watched my 2021 and 2022 vision board videos, then you know that I have wanted a camera for a while now, at least for 2 years. Right, I've wanted a camera before I even put it on my vision board, but let's see, 2 years, right? And I'm going to be honest, at the beginning of 2023, I was starting to feel bad that it will come back to my vision board for 2023. So my 2022 vision board is still hanging. I haven't done my vision board for this year yet. That will be the next video that you guys will get, and it will be filmed on my new camera, right? So hobby gifted me this for Valentine's, right? So I have this to show you guys to unbox. I have the Bluetooth grip. Is that what it's called? The shooting grip with wireless, the shooting grip with wireless remote commander. This, right? And then I have the SD card. So hobby also got like an SD card along with my camera, just so I can start creating content immediately. All right, so I'm going to be unboxing all of these, and testing the camera as well, so you can see what the video quality as well as hear what the audio quality straight out of the camera looks and sounds like. Okay. Did you guys see that? Okay, so this, I'm gonna flip out my screen. You know what, I'm gonna show you guys, right? Can you guys see me? So this is what you know what, I'm gonna start recording a video. You guys don't mind me. So this grip actually has a battery slot behind, right, like here. I haven't put the battery in yet, but when I do, then I'll be able to control the camera from here. So that's what this grip is for, right? So I can be able to control the camera from here and don't have to like do so. Now that I'm filming, I don't have to keep doing like this, look for the buttons. I can just start and stop the recording from here, or take a picture from here, or zoom in from here, or turn on background focus from here. So all of these buttons are supposed to be very helpful. But again, I haven't put the battery in, so yeah. But this, I've started recording, right? Yes. So this is what the video, yeah, it's gonna take a bit of getting used to looking at the lens instead of looking at the screen, at the flip out screen, right? So yeah, I'm gonna keep practicing. I've watched a YouTuber say that she prefers a flip up screen, right? So that even if she's looking at the screen, then it's not far from the lens. But I think I prefer a flip out screen, so I can always mount things on top. So if I want to add like a camera, if I want to add like a microphone, or add like external lights and all of that stuff, I can do that and build from the, because there's the cold shoe mount that you guys saw before I put in the camera, right? So, but yeah, let me set this down on the tripod and adjust this. Okay, so again, like I said, straight out of the camera, I haven't adjusted any of the settings, no video settings, no audio settings. So this is what the video and the audio sound like straight out of the box, right? So of course I'm going to watch like videos to try to find appropriate settings. I'm going to check to see if the sound is, I don't know if this is canceling the noise, right, as opposed to this microphone that I use when I'm filming with my mobile phone, right? Hopefully it's canceling the noise, and if it's not canceling the noise, hopefully I can edit any noise out, because I do have a standing fan right here in front of me. In fact, you must have noticed the switch, right, when I switched from the audio coming from my phone to the audio coming from this camera. All right, so yeah, now I virtually have two cameras because I'm definitely going to keep creating content with my phone. Let me switch over to my phone's camera. So good. Okay, yeah, so like I was saying, so now I have two cameras because I'm definitely going to keep creating content with my phone. It just means that this is now my main filming device or my main camera, right? So I cannot wait to start creating content. Like I said, the next video would most likely be from this camera. Hopefully I would have figured out like what settings I like, and figure out audio. I do, or I will have to get additional accessories. So from the videos that I have watched or things I have read about the camera, the battery is not long lasting. So I think an alternative to like get spare batteries would be to plug this in while I am filming, so that it is not discharging, right? And then eventually I'll get spare batteries and all of that. What else? Yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by leaving a comment for me in the comment section, and by giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be